Should you wear a hoodie to a job interview? Now, this debate has been doing the rounds on LinkedIn over the last couple of days, and some of the comments are crazy. Some people are saying, no, you shouldn't. It shows that you've got no respect, that you're not taking the interview seriously. It's completely unprofessional. You shouldn't do it. Whereas you've got other people saying, no, it's totally fine. Just because I'm wearing a hoodie doesn't mean I'm not capable of doing the job. And the thing is, both arguments are kind of right. Like, I wouldn't be bothered if somebody turned up to a job interview in a hoodie, but other people would be. I wouldn't go to a job interview in a hoodie because I don't know how the interviewer would perceive me, so I wouldn't go in a hoodie. The best thing you can do is ask your recruiter, what is this hiring manager like? How will they be expecting me to present myself? Should I turn up in a suit? Can I be a bit more relaxed? How casual should I dress for this interview? And the recruiter should be able to tell you. Whether you take that advice or not is entirely up to you. But then at least you know. Because whether we like it or not, some interviewers will decide within the first 10 seconds that they are not going to hire you based purely on what you're wearing. Or whether you turned up and you're not clean shaven. They just will. For more job search advice, hit the follow button. Cheers.